Today's video showcases the latest Flex power tools, built to perform on any job site. Packed with smart upgrades and real performance improvements, this lineup delivers the reliability and efficiency professionals need. Flex FX1431B Framing Nailer Kit takes on demanding framing work without hoses or compressors. Its brushless motor drives up to 3 nails per second with no ramp-up, while the power dial ensures precise depth across different materials. Dual LED lights illuminate dark areas for accurate placement, and a 5.0 amp-hour battery delivers up to 1,100 nails per charge, with 25% longer runtime thanks to Thermatech heat management. The dry fire lockout prevents wasted shots, protecting surfaces. The kit includes the 30-degree framing nailer, battery, 160-watt fast charger, and pivoting rafter hook, all fully compatible with Flex 24-volt batteries and chargers. Lightweight, cordless, and efficient, FX1431B keeps professionals working steadily and accurately on any job site. Tired of uneven shines that take forever? Flex FX3321 Orbital Polisher Kit delivers fast, spot-on detailing without cords holding you back. Constant speed technology holds RPMs steady, and the optimized gear head cuts down noise big time. Vibration control keeps your hands fresh longer. Plus, an 11-speed dial and variable trigger let you tackle everything from swirl marks to that final glossy finish. Lightweight design pairs with an ergonomic grip for easy handling on long jobs. Two 5-amp-hour Flex 24-volt batteries pack 20% more power, 25% longer runtime thanks to thermal management, and up to 50% quicker charges via dual-fan chargers. Everything works seamlessly with all Flex 24-volt gear, and you get 5-inch and 6-inch backing plates plus a 160-watt fast charger for pro-level results. Need spot-on cuts without the hassle? Flex FX7141A miter saw speeds through tasks with smooth efficiency every time. Dual bevel setup and the patented fast shift bevel lever switch angles super quick, keeping your workflow uninterrupted. Quick miter lock nails precise positions, and the LED shadow light lines up your blade perfectly for dead accurate cuts. Adjustable depth stop handles shallow or intricate work effortlessly, while the spindle stop shaft lock makes blade swaps simple and stops surprise starts. A 10-amp-hour stacked lithium battery delivers long runtime, up to 630 crosscuts on 3x4-inch medium-density fiberboard, plus rapid charging and full Flex 24-volt compatibility across batteries, chargers, and tools. Lightweight and easy grip make it a go-to for pros and DIYers alike. Compact power crushes tough jobs effortlessly. Flex FX1431A Impact Wrench Kit shines in tight spots with 38% less weight than the FX1451, yet delivers 450 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque for bolts, nuts, and framing. Auto control and screw modes nail precision. Bolt auto stop avoids over-tightening, bolt removal halts once loose, and screw mode speeds up wood tasks. A 360-degree LED light with brightness tweaks lights up dark corners perfectly. Full Flex 24-volt compatibility means it pairs with all batteries, chargers, and tools for 20% more power, 25% longer runtime, and up to 50% faster charging via thermal management. Flex limited lifetime warranty backs its pro-grade durability. Tight spaces demand serious drilling power. Flex FX1671 right-angle drill conquers framing and stud work with a compact build that slips where straight drills fail, backed by 1,680 foot-pounds of torque to rip through tough materials. Turbo mode kicks in instant speed boosts for quick repetitive jobs, and anti-kickback braking keeps things steady and safe under max load. Magnesium gearbox adds rugged durability without extra heft, while the rubber-topped handle stays comfy for all-day use, and a rafter hook hangs it handy between cuts. Flex Advantage delivers 20% more power, 25% longer runtime, and up to 50% faster charging, all with full 24-volt cross-compatibility for pro-level endurance. Precision rules in those tricky corners. Flex FX1431 die grinder nails tight spots where regular grinders quit, blending slim ergonomics for steady grip and less fatigue on long metalwork, polishing, or deburring runs. Flex Advantage pumps 20% more power, 25% longer runtime, and up to 50% faster charging via thermal management. Touch control speed dials up to 28,000 revolutions per minute to match any job perfectly, while anti-kickback braking boosts safety and spindle lock swaps accessories tool-free for non-stop flow. Full Flex 24-volt cross-compatibility seals its spot as the go-to for accurate, tough detail work. Confined spaces demand unbeatable drill control. Flex FX1681 right-angle drill packs up to 2,400 foot-pounds of torque to chew through dense materials, with a 2-speed gear system dialing in the perfect pace for any task. Turbo mode surges extra power and speed for the toughest jobs, and magnesium gear housing delivers hardcore durability in a light frame that fights fatigue on long shifts. Anti-kickback braking cuts sudden jerks for safer handling, and the rubber-gripped ergonomic top handle keeps comfort high with a handy rafter hook for quick storage. Flex Advantage brings more power, longer runtime, and faster charging to fuel pro-grade precision every time. Fastening jobs get simple and spot-on with Flex Hex Impact Driver. Compact build fits tight spots comfy, powered by a sensor-free brushless motor for top torque efficiency. It unleashes 2,500 foot-pounds to breeze through all materials with 3-speed modes and self-tapping screw settings that stop over-tightening, stripping, or snapping for flawless results every time. Quick eject collet swaps bits one-handed to keep your flow seamless. Flex Stacked Lithium Advantage cranks 200% more power, 300% longer battery life, and 100% faster charging, all fully cross-compatible with Flex 24-volt batteries, chargers, and tools. Flex Hex Impact Driver nails reliability for pros and DIYers. Wrapping up these 10 new Flex power tools covers every job site need perfectly. Hit subscribe on the channel since fresh tools drop straight here whenever they launch. Drop comments below on your current gear or which ones you skip.